Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Envee Emoni. If you're new here, and welcome to day 26 of Vlogtember. So I just got to shower, did my hair. I don't know if I'm feeling it. I don't know. I just feel like it looks weird, but I low-key like it. I don't know. It feels a little stiff. I mean, I know it's not about to be no slay thing because it ain't no bundles or nothing, but anyway, I'm about to go to Dollar Tree to get a gift bag so that I can put the gifts in, and I need to hurry up because I'm not even dressed. I just have on some errand clothes because y'all, I put these shoes out for me to wear with my outfit, and I was about to slip these on to run out the door. Okay, so we have made it to the destination. Look at Tink Tink.
Yeah. Hello guys, how are you?
Y'all already know I was coming for the French toast and the chicken. Girl. And and as I was saying, look for my partner. Yeah. And I don't have taste for a bistro burger today. But so this here, I actually got a Playboy instead. It do. So I got a shrimp po' boy sauce on the side. She got some
Pasta linguine.
Okay.
Veggie burger.
Okay.
And then the salmon sandwich.
Okay. Rain don't stop nothing over here. It's like so we're gonna take pictures now. I mean, I'm dressed for brunch. I can't not get no pictures. So we're here, and just looking at
It's not even holding the umbrella.
I ain't even gotta hold my umbrella.
Want me to hold it?
Not you wanna be my servant. So we're still out taking pictures. And I don't know, I don't think I'm satisfied with my pictures. Low key, I like the ones in front of the white part.
I gotta turn the other.
I am now back home. It's been a great outing, you know. Now I'm about to change my clothes because I'm not wearing this anymore today. And I'm about to get a little outfit change. And I need to change this lipstick because at first I liked it, but then it just made me look like I got really dark lips. Like